trying to add 2 lovely people to our portfolio to have a total of 5 people. Fantastic. So the 2 previous videos that I just uploaded, like just now, is deep dives on RokHerman and campervans. Both fantastic stat-wise. Check out the deep dives if you've not already. And we're going to be adding 250 to both of them. Right? No. 250 copy open trades. 250 copy open trades. Lovely. That looks very good. Really liking the portfolio. Really liking the portfolio. I'm not going to say it a third time. Go on then. Really liking the portfolio. Take care, guys, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.